Hey y'all, thanks for coming to kick with me, Nikki Nick. And today's video is actually gonna be a first on the channel, but today's video is gonna be a sew with me. Yes, a sew with me. So y'all, I literally look like somebody's African Taylor auntie. Like, which one you want? Show me a picture. I'll do it for you. This one. On this one. Oh, this is easy. I'll do it for you. I'll do it for you. No, don't I look like somebody else can take my auntie for real. But no, I'm doing a sew with me. Y'all, I have a lot of low-key fabric. Like, I want new fabric, but I already have a lot of fabric that I haven't finished. Like, I hadn't touched my sewing machine like a year, but like recently I've gotten like the energy and motivation to sew. So I'm like gonna try to knock out some of the old fabrics I have and just kind of like little by little do something with them. Cause I'm like, dang, I need to do this. I low-key have a lot. Today's fabric we're gonna work with is boop. This one, it's just so extra, bro. Like, I barely be going out, so I don't even know where the fuck I wear this to. I might, if anybody likes it, I might throw it on my Depop if anybody wants it. But it's so cute. She's so cute, bro. I love sparkly stuff. But like, I really haven't been going anywhere. Maybe I would keep this for like a performance if I like did like a show or something. I would keep it. I don't know, but it's cute. What I made with it before, I made like, she's my car. I made a like a kind of one piece leotard type of, you know, a bodysuit type of, you dig, with sleeves. So it's like, boop. It's really like strap. It's like no straps, like the original piece. Then I added like the add-on sleeves. So today, I'm doing something simple with this because as you see, this is so extra. Like, you really don't need anything too crazy with it. I'm trying to knock out, like, with certain fabrics, like simple styles, because I'm actually ordering me a dress form. I'm so excited. I think the way I do things, I free had a lot of stuff, so I think draping is gonna be a good thing for me. So that's why I bought the dress form, and I'm so excited because now I can do a few more complex things. I'm excited. Very cool. This is what we're working with today. I'm gonna try to do a two-piece, a skirt, and like a halter. It's gonna be pretty simple. But yeah, that's about it. Let's get started. elastic. It's a little ass bit of elastic for $3. What's the $3? Let's say I'm smoking big, so I'm like, I'm serious.